Now let us refresh our memory of the ER verb conjugation by practicing some more verbs. Let us take the verb jouer, which means to play. So it is an ER verb. Once more, shall we say the conjugation for the ER verb? The endings are E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. So, shall we write it? For je, we would remove E and R and replace it with E, which means I play. For tu, we would remove letters E and R and replace it with ES. For il, we would remove ER and replace it with E. For L, it is also E, J-O-U-E. For nu, do you remember what we did? We removed E and R and replaced it with ONS. For vu, we removed E and R and replaced it with EZ. For il, we removed E and R and replaced it with ENT. For L, we removed E and R and replaced it with ENT. So what would this mean in English when you translated it? I play, you play, he plays, she plays, we play, you play, they play, they play. Once again, I play, you play, he plays, she plays, we play, nous jouons, vous jouez, you play, ils jouent, they play, elles jouent, they play. So the ER conjugation is very simple and very easy, but you need to practice it regularly. So once again, what are the endings for the ER verb? E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Shall we see the example of one more verb? For example, let us take the verb ecouter. Ecouter means to listen. So, we notice that this begins with a vowel. So, you find an apostrophe here. J'écoutais. We would remove ER and replace it with E. For tu, we would remove ER and replace it with ES. For il, we remove ER and replace it with E. For L, we remove ER and replace it with E. For nu, we remove ER and replace it with ONS. For vu, we remove ER and replace it with EZ. For il, we replace the ER with ENT. For L, we replace ER with ENT. So, what would we say when we say j'écoute? It means I listen. Tu écoutes means you listen. Il écoute, he listens. Elle écoute, she listens. Nous écoutons, which means we listen. Vous écoutez, you listen. Ils écoutent, they listen. Elles écoutent, they listen. So, écouter is the verb. It is an ER verb. It means to listen. The conjugation is as follows. The ending is, we remove ER and replace it with E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. So, when using it in a sentence, when using the verb écouter in a sentence, we must conjugate it based on the subject pronoun. If it is in the first person singular, we would conjugate it for je, j'écoutais. Similarly, if it is for tu, if it is in the second person singular, we would say tu écoutais. The spelling is ECOUTES. If it is in the third person singular, il or elle, we would conjugate it with, we would remove ER and place E. Il écoutait or elle écoutait. If it is in the first person plural, we would say nous écoutons. So, we would remove ER and place ONS. If it is in the second person plural, we would say vous écoutez. We would remove ER and place EZ. For the third person, masculine and feminine, il or elle, we would say ils écoutons or elles écoutons. It means they listen. So, I hope you are now thorough with the conjugation of the ER verbs. There are many more ER verbs. You should keep practicing because it is the same for all the verbs. The conjugation is the same. If you keep practicing, it will be very easy for you.